Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I'll inform you a very important topic. The name is use of be-verb in tenses. Let's start. See, we can see here past tense be-verb, and it is number 1 was and number 2 were. And here we can see the present tense be-verb. It has 3 be-verbs. Number 1 am, number 2 is, and number 3 are. And number 3 and last future tense be-verb, it has 2 be-verbs. Number 1 shall be, number 2 will be. So we can find here that past tense has 2 be-verbs, present tense has 3 be-verbs, and the future tense has 2 be-verbs, right? So total is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 7 be-verbs. So what is the use and what is the use and how we can use it with example we can see here. So let's start. So here we can find the use of past tense be-verb with example, and this is the table, and in this table we can see with this arrow marks number is showing, and we have singular number and plural number, right? 2 numbers we have, singular and plural, as well as person. We have 3 person, it is first person, second person and third person. So I'll make videos on this number and as well as person, so that it will be very helpful for you, and I'll request you please watch my all videos so that you can understand the English language very easily. So here I am going to give you the example with this singular number and plural number and person, first person, second person, third person, how is it used. So here we can see the past tense, right? So first person in past tense with singular number, I was going, right? And the first person in past tense with plural number, we were going, right? Second person in past tense with singular number, it is you were going. Second person in past tense in plural number, you were going. And the last one, third person in past tense, it may be he, she, it was going. And third person in past tense in plural number, it is they were going. So from here we can understand that there are 2 be-verbs in past tense in English. It is was and were, but its uses are different in the with their different persons and numbers, right? So let's see the present. Here we can see that use of present tense be-verb with example. Let's see the table. In this table also indicating the arrow marks numbers, it may be singular number or plural number, and below it is indicating with the arrow person, first person, second person and third person, right? So first person singular number in present tense we can say I am going, and first person plural number in present tense, we are going. Second person in singular number in present tense, you are going, and second person plural number in present tense, you are going. And third person in the present tense in singular number, he, she, it is going, and third person plural number in present tense, they are going. So from here we can find that there are 3 be-verbs, am, is and are, and they are using with the various kinds of subjects, right? Persons we can say, right? Here it is I and here it is we. So we should understand and we should know it very clearly, right? So that we can learn the English language very easily. So this was the table of present tense where we are using these 3 be-verbs. with person, right, with numbers. Next is future tense, and it is use of future tense Be-Verb with example, right? So next it is showing here numbers with the arrow marks, singular number, and it is plural number, and with this arrow mark downwards it's showing person, first person, second person, and third person. So first of all, first person in future tense in singular number, I shall be going, and first person plural number in future tense, we shall be going. Second person future tense in singular number, you will be going, and second person future tense in plural number, it is you will be going, and third person future tense singular number, it is he, she, it will be going, and last one third person in future tense plural number, they will be going, right? So from here in this table we can understand that there are two Be-Verbs, shall be and will be in future tense, but as per their person they are using in differently. So that's why we should understand it very clearly so that we can learn the language and learn the tense very perfectly. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you understood. This is 7 Be-Verbs. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Thank you.